Hello. The purpose of this video is for you to be able to write and implement a claim paragraph outline. And the claim paragraph outline is basically the paragraph where you answer the question of the lab. And in this lesson, I'm gonna model the different general outlines that these things have. The first thing I want to go over is what there's going to be three main pieces of this paragraph, and that's your claim, evidence, and reasoning. Your claim is basically a sentence that answers the question. What you've been trying to prove, or what you're trying to defend within the paragraph itself. This is the main idea of the paragraph. Now, the evidence is whatever data that you've got to support your claim. This could be anything from numbers that you've measured, or measurements in that regard. It could be observations, various data points. It could be calculations that you've made based upon your data to prove your point. And that's what evidence is. And your reasoning is your logic that allows you to support your claim. It's your thought process. You're going to use definitions to back yourself up, scientific principles. You may use analogies to make a point, or you may compare the situation to another situation, explaining why your specific evidence supports your claim or supports your main idea.